Hello everyone and welcome back to Captain of Industry. In the last episode we managed to gain a small foothold on the island, and today we are going to try and take advantage of that little foothold. We will basically try to keep on researching, keep on building, keep on expanding, and that is basically what we are going to do today. So without further ado, let's get into it. And we're back. So let's continue. First things first, we will have to tell these assemblers to also accept exports from trucks, so we can actually keep on working. Now they are back in business. Also, I did make a small mistake on the construction parts 2 assemblers. I accidentally put them on the wrong side of the what's it called? These thicker dividing lines. So I think I will clone it and put it here, which will go for the storages as well. And I will bulldoze this one. So quick remove and quick deliver. There we go. Okay, so this one should be okay as it is. We just needed to slowly trickle out the construction parts 2s, and so we can keep on building the conveyor belts. Now let's see. We are now mining coal, so technically we shouldn't really need this anymore. Yeah, I think I will keep it around, but at a lower priority, basically. We did research irrigated farms. At this moment, we don't really need them. Let's see, let me take a look. So right now we are, let's see, not 3 more, oh, there it is. So we are making around 9.2 potatoes per minute on average. And we need, let's see, 9.9. Yes, so this means we will need a second farm. We can't really put it here. Technically we could, but I want to get rid of that little hill first. Can we put it here maybe? Yes, we can. Great. Unpause, high priority. Need to make sure that we don't starve the people, because if you remember, we set starvation to be deadly in this playthrough. Okay. Okay, so now these are actually working, so we will slowly have to build things up, basically. And we will have to keep on researching. Right now we are doing the captain's office. Might as well keep on doing it, because, you know, it will have to be done sooner or later anyway. Maybe we should focus on this one. I will get started, but, you know, I'm not going to rush it. Once it's done, we will do it, but, you know, it's not hugely important. As for this one, can we? No, we can't. Okay, first we have to actually repair the shipyard. Oh yes, because yeah, it's not fueled, and to fuel the ship we have to repair the shipyard, so that's fine. Okay, what's next? How are we on iron in these? It's fine. I think the most limiting factor right now is the bricks, so we should trade for some. I think I will go for 25 purchase price. 31 is a bit too much at this point. Basically, after every 2 purchases, the price will go up. It starts at 20, then 25, then 31. I think 31 is a bit too much. And it is right here. Okay, it is already empty. And it was taken here and in these. Should I set this to a higher priority than the constructions? Might not be a bad idea. Yeah, construction. No, wait. You know, no, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Don't get too hasty. As for this one, I will build... Yeah, I will build 2 more trucks, I think. Yeah, because we are getting rather busy. We can also tell these excavators to focus on a certain resource. I will tell them to focus on iron ore, so they don't go after dirt and stone. They will only dig them up if they have to. Same goes for the coal. We can tell it to only pick up coal if it can. And only pick up dirt and stone if it absolutely has to. Are you working yet? Not yet. Yeah, we have way too many buildings on the backlog. And unfortunately, they will have to be built before everything else is done. I think I will actually quick deliver for this one. And I will unpause the other 2 and I will set them to be prioritized so we can actually build these and put them to work as soon as possible. What is this one missing? Bricks. I don't think if we buy the concrete slabs at this moment, I don't think we can actually start use them. So it doesn't make sense to actually buy concrete slabs right now. Can we... So we have no place to dump dirt at the moment. That's good. And we can only dump waste in the general island. So that's fine. Okay, I think I will actually quick build a loose storage for the brick factory. Unpause priority. You will store dirt and you will have to be kept full all the time. So basically this will make sure that before we dump dirt anywhere, they will bring it here first. And we will also put a U-shaped conveyor belt to go into the brickworks. Yeah, it is actually doing okay on water. No, it's not so much. I don't think I will build a second rain collector. I think it's going to be okay. Or maybe I should. Let's see. If we can fit, we can't, so I won't. How is the separator? That's good. So we are full on iron ore and coal, which means we have enough production going on, so that's great. The tree harvester is busy. This one is standing in the way of finishing this particular tutorial. No, I'm not going to rush it. I just want this to actually... Okay, we can tell this to empty out by trucks automatically. That's great. And they don't have the inputs yet with the conveyor lift, so we don't have to tell them to accept materials. That's good. Yeah, and it's still the bricks. So we will have to trade. I will also tell to keep the trading dock empty, I think. Add priority 1. And this one, yeah, I think I will set this to priority 12. So they don't actually bring unnecessary amounts of construction parts here. Now this one, I will tell to be kept full of diesel all the time. And this will basically, yeah, here they come. Oh, they're just refueling. Now we can tell this to be kept empty all the time, because this is basically, yeah, they can come to pick things up, that's fine. So this is the output of the diesel, so yeah, that's going to be okay. And okay, now they are filling up this one. We have a research crop rotation. Dismiss. Basically, we can put different kinds of crops in, well, a rotation, of course, and this will ensure that we can actually keep the soil fertility in a more healthy place. But for now, we only have potatoes, so we cannot really do anything. Well, technically we could, let me see. So right now we are making 9.2 per minute. If we introduce no crop, that's 7.2, that's worse. What about green manure? That's slightly better, but this requires water, so I think I will just keep it on a single rotation of potatoes. Now these are once again hurting 4 bricks. What about the brickworks? It's lacking dirt, so... Yeah, the unsorted inputs are piling up. I think I will start doing this and set this to high priority on these belts so they get built as soon as possible. High priority. There we go. If we can actually make the construction parts twos, they will be taken there first. Okay, for just temporarily, I've put this to priority 1, so we can actually start making some. As for this, I will buy... Yeah, I will have to sacrifice some wood, unfortunately. I did buy some bricks with 31 wood. Now, can we please get some construction parts twos? Now, construction parts 1 are being made. Okay, are you going to take it here? They should. Also, we just finished concrete production. Now we can actually use concrete in the construction parts 1 manufacturing. So I will enable them and buy some concrete slabs in the settlement. So That's 40, but so it's basically double price, but we also got double the amount, so that's great. Yeah, this will do for now. Now, as for the actual concrete production, I think I will put it right next to the limestone, because that is an important part of the production process. As for the hilliness, it's going to be okay. Also, we have the groundwater deposit right here, so this is basically the intended place for this. So, let's see, we are going to start with, I think, just 2. We can use this area for it. This is going to be the output. Yes. If you have seen the previous attempts at this game, you will see something very familiar. Next up, we will need to build the rotary kilns, which will turn limestone and coal into cement. Let's see. This will make 3, and this can accept 1.5, so we only need 1 rotary kiln per 2 cement mixers. I will put this here, at least temporarily. This is still in planning mode. Let's see. Should I use the conveyor lifts? No, I don't think so. We are just going to use the usual method, which is this. Okay. So we need to input, let's see what exactly. Yeah, right now I think the most sense for us is to use crushed slag. So I will set that, and of course we can only mine sand, so yeah, we can wait. I think we can actually manufacture sand as well. So manufactured sand comes from, oh yeah, we can actually crush gravel, but that's a bit much, I think. Anyways, so I think we will use the top belt for the sand. Can this one go 1 level lower? I think it can. So how about only 2 levels up? Yes, okay. That didn't look right to me, but now it should be better. So this one will be the sand, I think. Okay, first the flat conveyor belt is the cement. So for now this will go here. Basically we are laying out the general idea about how the belts should go, and then we will make them a bit more compact in a second. So can we do this? Yes, we can. Perfect. And we can just have this one go. Can we squeeze this one through here? No, we can't. That's not good. But maybe if we take this one out, oh, the U-shape conveyor belt, this one can go maybe like this. Let's see, let's keep the pillars more or less aligned. So if we do this, this one can go up to level 2 like this, and this one can go into this one like this. Maybe we should just go and stick with conveyor lifts, I think. Yeah. Okay, so We have used the flat lifts before, now we are going to use the loose lifts. So this one will be level 2 and this one will be level 3. Okay, copy paste. Okay, that's good enough. Now where should we put the crushers? I think we are going to I think we will expand this way because we are going to move this farm sooner or later anyway. Also, let's not forget to give this one a smokestack. Alright. Let's see. The crushers will be going here if we are going to expand that way. So let's see. This one will be giving us the crushed slag. I think 2 will be enough for now. So we are going to use this one and this one. Yep. Next we will need U-shape conveyor belts will go like so. There we go. Merge together right here. As for the sand, I think we can actually now usually I like to have 2 storages on either side of the rotary kiln like this. This is for coal and this is for the limestone, because this corresponds with the inputs. I think you can actually see it even with the trees, so that's fine. So we can do this. Now, next one will be rotated like this and moved over like so. Okay, might as well go ahead and plan for the future. So we will do this and we will have the next one so flipped and lined up like this. Now the tree is in the way, so anyways, I just want to make sure that we can place the limestone storage in a place that is more or less, so I think we have to move it over by 2. Let's redo the belt. Yeah, okay. So this will mean that we can flip this and yeah, we have the perfect spacing. Okay, so that takes care of that. Now, let's see, we can actually move things up by, I think, 4 tiles. So, no, only 3 tiles. So we can move this smokestack, or maybe we can move the smokestack here. Have the rotary kiln here. Connect the smokestack up with a piece of pipe. Yeah, I think this will work. We can have the flat belt go like this and like this. That's perfect. And we can also, so let's see, how many crush slag we need? We need 9 crush slag per minute and we make 24. So technically we don't need this second one at this very moment. I just want to make sure that we place it. Okay, I can put it here. How long do we have to make this belt exactly? So this one comes out at the bottom. This one have to be placed like this. Yeah, this is the closest we can place it. So you can actually go right here. We can also give it a loose storage. There we go, which we will fill with slag. Full all the time. Can we go up to the, no, over by 1? Can we go up in one go? No, almost. Over by one. Can we? Yes, we should be. Oh, well, over by one as well. So, yeah. Maybe we should. You know what? I think I will just have the slag somewhere to the side so we can keep on expanding the array later on. So I think I will have it here for now. Let's line it up with the others. Okay. Also, let's not forget to actually move the coal and limestone storage back. Now this will actually butt up against the crusher. So yeah, we will place this here and put this on the other side. So this should be okay, if I'm reading the bats correctly. Also, since we moved it, we can do this instead. That's great. So we can actually have this one maybe here, I think will be okay. So you will feed this like so. Let's move back the limestone storage. Okay. What we have to do is stop cutting trees everywhere else and focus on this particular place. There we go. We will get back to this planning in a little bit. Okay, what else can we do? In terms of iron, I think we should be, yeah, we are pretty much okay. Yeah. Can we buy any more bricks or... No, not yet. How is the copper doing? Okay, so technically we are ready to start mining copper. Yeah. So we will need a mine control tower. Oh, this is a big one. Yeah. Somewhere in the middle. I think here will be okay. Edit the area. I think this will be fine for now. Also, we will need sand for the concrete. So, yeah, might as well place it down. Is this the best place for sand? I think this will be the best place for sand, actually. Yeah, we can put this here. Is this above or below? Some above, some below. So I think I will tell this tower to focus on this beach. Like so. And I will tell it to go all the way down to level 1. Level 0, I think, is just barely too deep, so we will have to go to level 1. And we will tell it to mine out the beach. And we will create a small ramp up to level, no, not 4, level 6. So F, R, and we will build a ramp here. Level 6, wow. No, this is it. Okay, excavation will have to start here, work its way down. So I think it's better if we rush this one down and get started on digging right away so we can actually have a small head start. Anyways, we can set the rest of the beach to be dug out. This will do, I think. Okay. That is plenty of sand for the time being. The outside of mine... Oh yeah, this one. Let's make sure we don't have designations outside mining. We don't have, yeah, mining designations outside the operating areas of the towers. Iron mining is doing great. Coal mining is doing great. Now, I don't think this coal mine will last a very long time. Thankfully, we have another one right here, so that's fine. Store construction parts, okay. Now this will be taken care of by the conveyor belts. Are you actually, yes, you are actually making conveyor belt, construction parts 3-2s, which will build the conveyor belts. In fact, I think I will prioritize these. Priority, priority, here, here, and here. There we go. Once these belts are done, we can put these machines back to only accepting... wait, you will have to go down. Okay, so we can tell it to go back to automatic exports. We need 6 more, so 2 more crafts. That's fine. Now, how is the tree harvesting doing here? Almost done. In fact, we can pretty much go back to planning. So, I believe we were trying to move the limestone storage like so. So, limestone storage full all the time, please. We might as well put down the next rotary kiln like this. We can copy paste the whole belt assembly like this. Yes. And we can merge together, merge the crush slag belts like this. Okay, now the sand. Sand, sand, sand. How far do we have to place the sand storage? So this will go here, and if you want to go down to level 1, we will have to place the storage, yeah, right here. There is not enough room, unfortunately. So we will have to move this belt. So let's start again. This one goes stop. So yeah, stop by production done. Okay. So this one will... No, wait. We want to have the room to expand. So we might have to place the storage... Where does it make the most sense? Because we want to keep expanding the concrete mixers this way. Let's see. You know what? I think we will just do this. Yes. So have the sand go into the system like here. Store sand full all the time, thank you. And we can have the slag right here. And we can just move these as the need arises, I think. And it's going to be fine. Yeah, whatever, that's fine. So this takes care of pretty much everything. Also, let's not forget. Oh, right. The exhaust. Now it is actually blocked by the flat conveyor belt. So we will have to move these back by 1. So you will actually have to go here, move the smokestack and clone it for this one. And let's make sure we do this. So far so good. This one can go like this. And if I remember correctly, if we do this, the next rotary kiln will only require one spacing for the coal storage. Yes. Okay. Basically, we will only build these two and this rotary kiln setup. The second row will be that the second array will be for backup. Okay, we can actually continue the flat conveyor belt at the U-shaped conveyor belt like this. We can remove this pipe and this pipe. That's good. We can get rid of this smokestack. Anything else? Yeah, I think this is pretty much good to go. Yeah, I think so. I would still prefer if we had a better placement for these, but maybe we can go ahead. There we go. Maybe we can have the crushers. So they are on level 2. You can come down this way. Let's make sure we leave one flat piece here so we can branch off it. You will have to actually go the other way, going into the system, not out of it. And we will have to build this crusher again, which is right here. Thank you. And we can expand this system if we have to, like this. That's fine. So the the slag will go. So this one has to go up to level. You want to, you can just do this. So we will have to build one flat piece there, so we can split the slag again. Yes, this will do, I think. Blue storage goes here with the slag. Cool all the time, thank you. Okay, now we just need to actually build this belt. Ah, come on, please, please, please. There we go. Maybe if we go down, or maybe if we do this, this will, yes, this will cooperate. Great. Okay, we can split this belt up here and down here as well if we have to. Okay, and the sand can, I think I will put it right next to the slag. Just bring it up to level and merge it in with the rest of the system. Maybe like this. Yeah, now this one looks a tiny smidge more organized, I think. Okay, so this one actually requires, yeah, construction parts tools. So, yeah, I think I will leave it paused for the time being. Anyways, we should be able to start harvesting trees again. Let's focus on this area first and then move on to the others. The oil is doing great. The belts are actually doing amazing. Yes, perfect, perfect, perfect. Next one, we will definitely have to focus on the fuel station, because as you can see, the excavators are still coming over to refuel. And we have just taking care of this. That's amazing. Yeah, this is okay. We have plenty of dirt stored up for brick making. And we are extending the coastline. That is great. I'm not 100% sure that this will be enough for... Maybe this will be okay for a cargo dock. I guess we will see. As for this one, we will have to make 2 more excavators. One for the sand, one for the copper. And should I put it... Let's see, copper is 143. We are starting to run low on copper, I think. So we might have to put these first excavators to work in the copper mine. The sand will have to wait, but it's fine because the concrete production is not ready for it yet anyway. As for this guy, yeah, it is working hard. Transport balancing, we just unlocked these balancers. Basically, they will allow us to merge and split belts and pipes as we have to. We have unlocked the captain's office. Here we can actually issue edicts for the settlement, but it is not important at this very moment. Now, how deep is this coal? Maybe 2 or 3 more levels down. Yeah, I guess we will see. I guess we should focus on these belts next. So these will be high priority. Yes, the lifts as well. There we go. Also, we can tell these assemblers to go back to automatic exports, which basically means trucks can no longer come and pick things up straight from the assemblers. They will have to use this storage, which is fine because they are supplied by these belts. Now, vehicles management. I think this was only extra vehicles. Let's see. Yeah, this, what I'm thinking about is the logistics, which is coming up next actually. That's fine. Okay, fine. So we have this excavator. This guy will go in the copper mine, which is not ready yet. I forgot to unpause it. That's fine. No, I will not put it in the sand mine because I will just forget about it. You know what? Yeah. Whatever. Sand. Go ahead and start mining for sand. As for this one, yeah, 2 trucks. It's a pretty far-flung location. Maybe we should go for this one because it's closer to the cement. But, you know, I think it's going to be fine. Plus, sooner or later we are going to have dedicated storages for these outputs. Oh, wait. No. We have to run it through the... Yeah, unfortunately we have to do sorting first. I keep forgetting. We will have to build a second sorter, I'm afraid. In fact, technically we should have individual sorters for different mining sites. So I think for now I will just clone this one. Maybe have it like this. Yeah, I think I will have it like so. But instead of these stuffs, we will instead have it sort out sand. Oh wait, limestone. We also need copper. That's unfortunate. So we will need at least 2 more. Sorting. Yeah. No, that's not slag, but rocks. That's it. So let's see. You will output dirt into this one, limestone into this one, rocks, yes, that's correct, and copper will go into this one. So copper ore. Okay, so far so good. Let's unpause it. We have plenty of coal, but ever since we built this second blast furnace, we are a bit low on iron. Let's see. Oh, actually we are doing fine on iron. Yeah, it's going to be fine. We might as well build a storage for the iron. I think I will have it go... No, wait. This one should be like this. There we go. We will merge the first 2 arrays into a single belt, and I think the next 2 arrays will go into this other inlet. So this will store iron and we can keep it empty all the time. These belts are coming along slowly. This one, yeah, is prioritized. This one is not prioritized. Technically, we could clone these setups over to the others. But I think one thing at a time. Once these are finished, then we can clone them. Yeah, I think at this point we can actually build more construction parts to assemblies. So priority unpause, priority unpause. Oh yeah, don't forget to unpause these as well. Advanced logistics control is now done. This basically allows us to have more control where the trucks are allowed to go. Now let's see, this is now... Okay, it is actually sand. That's good, that's good, that's good. Also, where is the excavator? Is going for refuel? No, it's down here for some reason. Maybe don't focus on the low-lying areas, focus on actually digging down that ramp. Yeah. Focus on this because sooner or later we will need that ramp. We need to make sure that it is actually available. Okay, so I think, let's see, maybe we should hold back on the limestone and do sand first. So instead of limestone, you will store sand as long as, yes, it is still the same. That's good. Also, we have a lot of sorting to do. What's the holdup? Output full. Is it? Is the coal actually blocking things? That's the input. I believe the coal is holding things up. So I believe we will have to actually have individual sorting, unfortunately. So we cannot have these multi-purpose sorting. We will have to have sorting for each individual mining operation. That is good to know. Also, as it happens, we are out of workers, so we will have to quick build and unpause the beacon. How is this one doing? There is still some stuff we have to do in terms of repairing the shipyard. You know what? I think I will tell this to stop accepting single product loads, because there's no point if the truck is fully loaded with all dirt, there's no point dumping it in here. This one is doing great. Okay, I think we can actually put these back to priority 10. 10 and 10. This one is well on its way. And the belts here are done. Great. Now I think we should buy some bricks, some concrete slabs, maybe 2 more of the bricks, and that should keep us going for a little bit longer. Also, I think at this point we can build the 4th storage for this particular place, which will of course store concrete slabs. We can tell it to feed into the same exact line as the bricks. We can basically mix the bricks and the concrete slabs because they are fulfilling the same purpose. So we can unpause and unpause the storage as well. That's going to be okay. How is the settlement doing? It is, well, it's going slowly. And the fuel station is done. So we can give it, I think 1 will be enough for now. 1 truck. So excavators no longer have to come all the way out here and waste time moving bit, for refueling. Now settlement water. We could technically supply the settlement with water. Yeah, but we have no distillation at the moment. Unless... Can we? No, we can only distill fuel at the moment, so... Yeah, this will have to wait a little bit. Anyways, we are overpopulated, but this should finish any second now. Yeah, there you go. And we have more room in the settlement, great. So yeah, unfortunately we will have to set up individual sorting, which is basically what we will do as a last thing for today, I think. So, pause, have the sorting is in... No, where is sorting? Waste? No. General? No. Buildings? Yes. So, we can have this thing. I think we can have it here. Sure. We can put this here. This will be for iron. I don't want to have this one here, so I think I will repurpose this one for the coal. We can have one for the sand. And we can have one for the copper. We can have it here, will be okay, I think. Maybe here. Yeah. And we can give it the excavator it needs and the trucks. Okay, so this guy will sort out the copper, the dirt and the rocks. And since they are only dealing with one important material, I don't think we will have to give these an individual storage. Anyways, this is for sand, dirt and rocks. This is for iron ore, dirt and rocks. Also, let's not forget to unpause them. This one and this one. So as I said, once these are done, I will repurpose one of these for the coal. And I just noticed that I wasn't fast enough. Oh, that's fine. We will need these to operate until the new ones are done anyway. As for the limestone, we will set up a mine control tower. Here will be okay, I think. So this, I might as well unpause it, but I'm not going to quick deliver, that's fine. Edit area doesn't really matter at the moment. We can give it a general mining designation. Just carve into the mountain. That's fine. And we can have the sorting. Yeah, here will be okay. Maybe like this. Okay, what's next? Well, what's next is basically the end of the episode, because we are getting very, very close to the 1 hour mark. These will have a lot of... these will require a lot of construction parts, so these will take a bit of time. No available place to dump the products, yes, unfortunately. But wait. This one should be able to accept it. Why don't you take it there? Dirt. Oh yeah, because this is actually a single... Yeah, this is a single product load, so they are not going to take it there, and that's actually good. Designation in its area. Oh yeah. We will need to actually give it a place to start mining copper. So let's do just that. So you please focus on copper if you can. Thank you. Yeah, this will go. This will do. Refugees, we still have some room. That's fine. Okay, before we go, let me just quickly buy some wood, some concrete slabs, and I think we might as well unpause this whole place. Yeah, I think we can do until here. Oh yeah, before I forget, one very important part of this whole thing is the water. I almost forgot. So, since we have the groundwater deposit right here, we can actually take advantage of it. This groundwater should be enough to supply the concrete production with water. So we will place it here, bring it up 1 level, and have the pipe run right alongside, right above the output. So I think we can do this and this and this. Finish here for now. And we can feed these. Maybe we can go down instead. We can do this. Yeah. This will be fine. No, no, no. Yeah, this way. And we can continue. No, we can't. Let's make sure we can continue with this pipe. Like this. Okay, and now we can go down. feed into the inlet. There we go. Okay, we can also unpause these particular pipes and this groundwater pump. Refugees are still coming, that is very good. So sand full all the time, that's good. Slag full all the time, that's good. Coal full all the time, please. Limestone full all the time. Yeah, it will take a long time to actually finish building this place because it will require construction parts too, but once it's done, we should have a very good supply of concrete slabs, which will keep these guys going. And I know I keep saying that this is the end of the episode, but let me just quickly finish. Let's see. First, I will copy it like this. There we go, and then we will copy this. Yeah, I think this will be fine. We just finish things up like so. Yes, and this one will go like this. This one goes this way. You can go into this one, yes. And I think that is pretty much it for these belts. Yeah. Unpause them, and for now you will be able to accept inputs from trucks. Once these are done, we will disable that like we do with these first three. Okay, sure, I think this will do it for this episode. Yeah, so thank you for watching. If you liked the video, you can leave a like, leave a comment, and maybe subscribe to the channel if you want. If you would like to support the channel a little bit more, you can do so by clicking the join button and becoming a channel member, and you will gain access to these episodes a week early. Well, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Thank you and goodbye.